So what is unique about Mauritian culture?
Peace, family. It's the Unapologetic Nomads. We're going to have a GoFundMe for new equipment. We really want to have top-notch equipment so we can start doing content that is able to go on networks and stuff like that, apps like Netflix and different apps like that.
Any amount that you choose to donate is perfectly okay with us. We are fine. We just thank you for finding it in your heart, the willingness to give. Thank you so much.
So some of the things we are trying to purchase with this donation money is cameras, drones, and other equipment we're going to be needing if we want to make better content for you.
We really want to take our channel to the next level, and we definitely would appreciate if you can support us in doing that. If we reach our goal, great. If not, it's still cool. You know, we just want to bring you the best content that we can give you, family. I said the best content that we can give you.
Peace and love, everybody. Exciting new day. We're at La Bazilic, and we're here with the owner of this beautiful restaurant. We have Mr. Shivam with us.
Hi.
All right. And here you also, how are you today?
I'm very good, thank you.
Excellent. And you're also a chef, right?
I'm the chef and the owner.
Right. Chef and the owner. Okay, awesome, awesome. Very lovely establishment. How long has La Bazilic been open?
It's now almost 8 years. In 2030, we opened the Bazilic. And now it's almost 8 years that we opened this nice restaurant.
And what is your specialty dishes? What kind of dishes do you serve here?
So we are in Mahebourg. We are near the sea.
Right.
So it's a lot of seafood from here. So we get fish, octopus, and all the seafood also. Like calamari, fresh calamari.
Yes. Some of my favorites. I'm a seafood person. Seafood.
Now, ask, are you a native here of Mauritius?
100% Mauritian, and my mother was born in Mahebourg, and she got married with my dad, and now we live like 15 kilometers from here. Not that far, you know. So it's every day here.
What is unique about Mauritius culture?
Mauritian culture is unique because we have many religions together. So we have, like, I would say like 65% of Mauritian Hindu, which came from India a long time ago, and Christian and Muslims, and we all live peacefully here on this small island.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, we're hearing from so many people that it's a very peaceful place. So, is there any crime that happens? Any crime at all here?
Oh, not at all. I would say there is no such dangerous place in Mauritius. I think that's the reason why we got so many tourists coming to the island, because it's safe. Mauritian people are very courteous, and we are well recognized because of our beaches and the sun, and of course it's about hospitality of the people.
Yes. We do feel safe. We feel truly safe. I just asked that because I want to make sure, I want to ask everybody, like, wow, because we hear it a lot, but we truly feel safe, and the hospitality is like A+. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Do you see a lot of Americans here?
No, not so much, apart from you guys, because I think it's quite very far from here.
Yeah.
And you've got the Caribbean, so you know, it would be so long distance to come to Mauritius. I understand.
Yeah.
What do the young people in Mauritius like to do for fun?
There are some organizations which really organize some nice trail, because we have the mountains, and of course we are surrounded by sea, so lots of people like swimming, and yeah, I think these are those activities.
So what's the best thing about Mauritius?
The best thing about Mauritius is we have a very good, I would say, good climate throughout the whole year.
Yes, I agree.
And that's the reason I love to stay here. And of course, it's all about the hot temperature. People are warm, and that's nice. Yeah.
So there's no such thing as winter here.
Yeah, no winter.
No winter, I love
Like
it.
in US, no winter.
So what kind of dishes are we going to try today?
I will give you the fried noodles because the noodles are prepared by the Chinese Mauritian. They are fresh noodles and they give us every morning. So we're gonna fry it like a wok fried noodles with chicken and egg, whatever you like.
Nice, very nice. Mauritian cuisine, okay.
This drink, very good.
Nice.
Very good. Nice. Yeah.
Signature of Bazilic.
All right, signature Bazilic. And can you share with us your name again?
My name is Amrish.
Amrish.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
and
from
you tell
Mauritius.
me.
I'm just rich by heart. Is
Hey, I love that. Rich by heart.
Yeah.
How long have you been a bartender?
I started bartending since 2015.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was working at in a hotel. We call it Outrigger Mauritius Beach Resort. Did you heard about? Never.
Oh.
So it's at Belombre. So I work over there since 9.5 years.
Wow.
Yeah, 9.5 years. I do 3 years bartending, 2 years assistant bar manager, and 3 years beverage manager. So that's I just order the responsibilities of drinks and wine. And then I left last year in November, and then I joined Babish, my friend of mine. He's a friend of mine, so I just come here to help him a bit about the service, about the drinks, the cocktails, the menu, everything like this. And then I'm with him for some time, and then I just moving for cruise ship.
Wow.
Maybe on
Wow.
December. Yeah, in December we're going for on a cruise ship, so just to make myself and to do more. To get more passionate, yes.
Nice. So do you train bartenders as well? You train them?
Yes, yes. I do lots of courses like mixologist, baristas, world class. So I get from the hotels that I was in. So we get many courses from this. And then when I was bar manager, so when I get new bartenders, so I train them how to make cocktails, how to do some like for me it's a passion. For me it's a passion.
Wonderful. I was gonna
Yeah,
ask you,
I love making cocktails, and then my
These are good. Very good.
yeah, I love making cocktails. I love creating new things every time. And then the small girls with us, so you just joined us for it was 2 weeks ago.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Ocean.
Lucian. Okay, nice
Yeah.
to meet you. And you're a waitress here
Yes.
at the restaurant?
I work this like 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes,
Oh, you know,
2 weeks.
congratulations. Nice,
Yes,
nice,
thank
nice.
you.
Yes.
I'm here for the bar.
Okay.
For work for the bar. I was working for this, and I was listen to this then.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And then now I'm just train her. Her mother-in-law was working with me at the same hotel that I was. So her mother-in-law also was a barmaid.
Okay.
So she was good also. And then she want to get impressive how to get to how to make cocktails, how to make everything. So for me it's a passion to train them.
So what is unique about Mauritian culture?
So for us, the Mauritian drinks is beer, the Phoenix beer. So that's every person, people like beer. Yeah, but about drinks, about cocktails. So now many people like getting more drinks more cocktails like here, like we have it in Mauritius, all around about Mauritius you get cocktails now. Yeah.
Nice.
And then for the culture, it's, we are multicultural. So you get a bit Chinese, you get a bit Indian, you get a bit Christian. So it's mixed. So the food, you have Musulman. So we have biryani, we have set curry, we have also what we call noodles. Yeah. We get a lot of it because we are multicultural.
Nice. Right, so we got the
Garlic sauce.
garlic sauce. You got to have a lot of the garlic sauce kind of,
Yes.
because it just gives it that nice garlicky taste. Yeah. And I got to try this. I love these kind of noodles. The noodles melt in your mouth. They have that nice garlicky taste. There's a lot of vegetables in there. I love that. And you can taste the chicken, the shrimp, everything. Everything is wonderful tasting.
I'm gonna do the garlic sauce. I like how they make this sauce. This, it's like a light liquid garlic. And mix that in. I like the noodles. It's the color is beautiful, and lots of veggies. These noodles are different from a lot of noodles that I've had, and they have the shrimp, the chicken, egg, veggies, everything is in here. That's good. That's very good. That sauce is very good. There's an explosion of flavors. It's very good. Very good. I would order this again.
Nice. Yes. Got it. Of course, put my garlic.
You okay?
Yes.
Everything is good. Everything is good. Thank you.
Mix it in. Yes, this is like my second favorite food is noodles. Whether it's ramen, pasta, spaghetti, all of that. Yes. That'll do it. Yeah, that's good. The flavor is good, and when you add that garlic sauce to it, just boom.
Yeah.
Adds a little something.
Yeah.
Chef Shivam. Chef Shivam, we want to thank you so much for a lovely afternoon here in your restaurant and a delicious meal.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What a pleasure also to meet you.
And we will be back.
Thank you.
Yes.
See you.
Thank you. All right.
Today we are excited about trying a great new product. It's the Ever Fun Hydration Backpack. Perfect for short or long trips, like hiking, going to the beach, going to the gym, or just taking long walks in nature. This sweat-free, lightweight backpack comes with Hydration Expert for hands-free and cool water, with a compartment that keeps your water cool for up to 6 hours. It comes with ultra-elastic 3D back padding and shoulder straps that are breathable and great for reducing stress when on the go. It also comes with many compartments to store your other essentials, like your favorite snacks, clothing items, your cell phone, and any other item that you might need while on your adventure. So follow the link below to get the Ever Fun Hydration Backpack and put some fun in your wild.